Hello everyone. This is Amardeep Mishra, your aptitude and soft skills trainer, and today I'm again back to you with this new video of mine after a long time. So, guys, in this video, I am going to talk about one of the biggest problems which so many people are facing nowadays, and that is the problem of fear. So, guys, fear is something which I believe that every one of us would have come across at some point of time in our lives. It is not something which we are not aware of. It is not something which we do not know. All of us know very well how does it feel when we are in a situation when we feel like we are completely stuck. We don't feel like moving ahead. We don't feel like doing anything. We feel like giving up. So these are all the symptoms of fear. When we are excessively afraid of something, when we have that level of fear in our brain, then we feel like that we don't want to do that thing. We feel like giving up on something. So we are aware of all those symptoms, we are aware of all those feelings. So these are all these things, all these are the symptoms of fear. So fear is something which might be useful in some points, but not very useful in every situation. This is something which you should know how to deal with, because it is not a very useful emotion when you are at your work and when you have to perform. Then if you are very much afraid of something, of something which you actually are supposed to face, but you are uh, turning your face, you are just running away from that thing, and you are avoiding that situation, you are avoiding that work. So that is something which we know as fear. Okay, so how to handle this feeling of fear? See, uh, fear may come up when you might, when you're going for a presentation. Fear may come up when you have to deal with a client, because so many people, they miss so many good opportunities because of this problem of fear. Today itself, I met one of my students, and he was talking about this problem of fear. That because of fear and hesitation, he has missed so many good opportunities wherein he could have, he could get too much advantage of those situations, but he avoided them, and he just simply lost that opportunity. So, guys, what is the solution of this problem? I mean, if you are afraid of anything, of any situation, of any person, of like doing something, of some feeling, then how to face this thing and how to tackle this problem? So, I would like to talk about one of the most underrated philosophers of our times, and his name is Mr. Jiddu Krishnamurti, J. Krishnamurti. So he has talked a lot about this problem of fear. So there's one thing which he had mentioned in one of his books, which is J. Krishnamurti on fear. So in that book, when I read that book, then in one of the pages it was written that if black is afraid of itself, if black color, let's say for example, if there is a color, a black color, if black color starts saying that I'm afraid of black, then will it make any sense? So guys, this is the point which you have to grab and understand, because fear is something which is the part of you. Okay, it is like this thought has this quality that it divides itself in two parts. It says that, fear is different from me and I'm different. I just want to run away from this problem, from this issue of fear. But at the end of the day, the more you run away, the harder it becomes, the stronger it becomes, this feeling of fear. So what you have to do at that point of time, so indirectly what Krishnamurti is trying to say is that ultimately you are your fear. I mean, you are not different from that. If you are saying that this is fear and I'm different from it, then you are just simply making fool of yourself. You need to understand this thing, because when I realized this thing, then I got this courage of facing my fears. Fear is something which is not different from you, it is the part of you. So you need to accept this feeling first of all, that okay, I'm afraid, I have this feeling of fear. It's okay, it's totally all right. But if I am like if I am trying to avoid something, if I am giving up on something, am I avoiding my work, am I not going to face something which is really very important for me because of this feeling, then you should observe and you should have control over this feeling of fear at that very point of time. So what you have, you don't have to do anything. You simply have to look at this problem, you simply have to observe yourself, that it is not different from me, it is my part. So I will have to face it. Okay, I will have to face the things which I'm afraid of, which I'm scared of, because there is no other solution. You cannot become strong unless you face your fears, unless you face the things which you are actually afraid of. So the only solution to get rid of this uneasiness, this feeling of fear, is to face it. Because once you get this clarity, once you get this crystal clear clarity that you are not different from your fear, then you will have this courage, you will have this power to face this problem of fear. And that is the only solution, guys. And I'm honestly speaking, I myself have implemented this thing, and I have got the positive results, because they were, if I talk about 3 4 years back, then I always try to avoid the situations which I was not easy with, which I was not comfortable with. But that was not the solution, guys, because when there are so many things, there are so many situations which you feel like that they are absolutely negative. There are so many people which you know this is a very negative person, that is a very toxic person. But the thing is, when you are at your college, when you're at your workplace, then you need to face those people. Okay, so you will have to have that courage so that you can face those people. So if you are afraid of such people, if you're afraid of such situations, then that means you are simply avoiding them. But by having this understanding, by having this clarity that you are not different from your fear, then at that very moment you have that courage of facing it. So by facing it, you will be able to eradicate it completely. That is the only solution. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends and with the people who are in need. Share this video with such people as much as possible. Thank you so much.